got Dad bike, but I'm not gonna bring Dad's bike out until I build me one. Cause he did that one.
Where he is?
Yeah, that's right. Happy that he don't come out to the track no more. Happy he don't work out here no more.
See, I don't want my bike like that.